Hey guys, what's up? So, welcome back sa Stocksilog channel. And hindi na ako magpapaligoy-ligoy pa. Let's go straight to the point dahil I'm quite sure marami kong pwedeng i-discuss sa inyo today. Okay, so first up, PSEi, we closed the day higher actually compared to nung mga around 3 to 3 p.m. wherein umabot pa tayo ng -1% kanina. So medyo nag-close tayo ng a bit higher pero still it is on the red at -0.87%. So bumalik na tayo ulit below 7,800 level. Uh, Ako, I could see three major reasons why this has happened. Number one is, if you guys remember kaninang umaga, yung pag actually hindi kaninang umaga but kagabi yung pag-sign ni Trump nung bill supporting the pro-demonstrators. Tama ba yung term ko? Pro-demonstration sa Hong Kong. And obviously, this will greatly impact yung US-China trade war. So hindi pa siya tapos actually, and then eto may sinainan na sort of anti-China. So I'm quite sure this will either prolong or worsen yung trade war. And of course, it will impact the the Asian market. If you can see, especially for PSE right now, um, tinamaan siya. So that's one. The second thing that I can see is that uh, remember kahapon there was a really good rally. So right now I'm thinking that this might just be a what do you call this, profit taking for those na nakabili kahapon or yung mga naka maganda yung kita kahapon so nag-take profit. At the same time, there is no significant news. So kaya yon. That's why I think yung dalawang yun yung yung major reason. Okay? So total value turnover natin is around 5.44 billion. We are still net foreign selling today at 744 million, although medyo bumaba na siya kasi in the past couple of days we are seeing net foreign selling ng around 1 billion, pero ngayon it's 744. So hopefully maging net foreign buying naman na tayo for a change kasi I think this is the 8th or the 9th straight days na net foreign selling tayo. Okay? Uh, the declines have ang dami ng declines. Almost 50%, 116 of the stock have declined, 52 ang neutral, and 54 have advanced. Okay? Uh, let's see who are the most active today. Ayun. So sila nga yung mga medyo ano kahapon. Maganda yung volume. So sila pa din. AGI leading the pack with around 440 million. Si Ali, si BPI, SM. This is, if you remember guys, kahapon ito yung nag new 52 week high. So, if you still remember, sabi kong ganun, na potentially dahil hindi niya na-sustain yung bago niyang high kahapon, uh, most likely bababa siya for today. So, which had happened, no? So, ayun. Unfortunately, that's how it goes. SM is still a really good company. So, 1.74, ano ba naman yon? Eh kung you have invested there ng medyo mababa pa, so it's still a good deal. Top gainers, APM, MAB. Tingnan natin yung ano, yung medyo malaki yung volume. Oh, look at that. ACEX has still a good volume and nasa top gainers pa rin siya, which is good. Even Bicor. Hmm, interesting. Sa top losers naman, yeah, Pacifica. If you remember, again, yesterday, plus 22% siya, but then today, it's minus 11. Sino ba yung mga ano? FNI. What happened kay FNI? Hindi ko alam ano kung let's have a quick check. Ang laki oh. Yeah, kasi I was looking at this one nung nakaraan at around 1.80 something level lang eh. So, kaya medyo, kaya bigla ako nagtaka na nag 1.72 siya. Kailan siya? Is it run off or, ay hindi rin eh. Kasi run off started itong, ano na, dito na. Pero even mula pala kanina, wala, pababa na talaga siya. I don't know. Do you guys have any thoughts? What happened to FNI? Pero eto lang ang napansin ko is that nickel and FNI are here. Maybe related to nickel prices or nickel news. Maybe. I don't know. If you guys know something, uh, pa-comment down below naman. So at least malaman ko din. Now, let's move on doon sa do we have a new 52-week high and new 52-week low? Well, meron tayong isang new 52-week high and that is SPC. Teka lang. Uh, there you go. Yeah, so SPC new 52-week high is at around 930. But then again, nahila siya pababa kanina. So parang ano lang nito eh. I'm thinking that na baka mag-ala SM din to like what happened yesterday na nag 52-week high nga pero bumalik doon uh, sa previous day's close, no? And yun nga nung nangyari today medyo bumaba si SM. So I am thinking that it will go the same ng ganong direction din. So, bababa siya ulit dito. Kasi, well, etong part na to is now considered as the, ano eh, teka, saan yun, ayun. Ito na yung nagiging sort of resistance niya. And bumalik siya dito sa same level. So ayun. Okay. So sorry. That is for the 52-week high. Once again, mas marami ang 52-week low natin. Uh, Pinangungunahan ni Picor. Yep. Yeah. So, Picor, ang bigat nung ano nyo, 4.46 na lang siya. 4% down. So, yep. Who else? PNB. Yep. Ito yung na-mention ko rin na a couple of days na na talagang almost every day na siyang bumaba. So, oh well, that's life. And even the LTG, ha? Yeah. Actually, hindi naman siya new, pero bumalik siya dun sa 52-week low niya na 1760. Who else? Yung mga medyo hindi ko na masyadong kilala like sina Tugs, Travelers, si Harbor Star, who else? TBGI and Bell. So sila yung mga ano kahapon. Sorry, kahapon today. 52-week low natin. Uh, Today. Okay. Now, for some of the news, I have a couple actually. The first one is yung itong ano natin, news about CNPF. Okay, so Century Pacific makes inroad into domestic coconut market with its own brand. CNPF was hindi incorporated pero it was established way back noong 1978. But it was just incorporated year 2003, if I'm not mistaken, 2002 or 2003. And ito yung company who is into canned foods, no? Like for example, products nila Century Tuna, Swift, Birch Tree Coco drink. I think nabasa ko yun dito somewhere eh. Yeah, Birch Tree 45 Coco, Argentina corned beef, mm, which else? Yeah, I think yun lang. And also, I think just this year, they have signed a memorandum of agreement with Hunts, yung pork and beans. So they had a memorandum of agreement to distribute Hunts sa Philippines. So yun, so CNPF. Now, for the news is they have a new product line which is called Coco Mama Fresh Gata, no? So, uh, ang weird lang kasi kung mapapansin ninyo, um, uh, a couple of weeks back, nag-IPO si Axilum, which is basically everything about coconut, no? And then tomorrow, we will have fruit, and one of the brands ni fruit or frutas is si anong pangalan nun? Buko ni frutas, no? So I don't know, yeah, of course hindi siya same ng ano ng uh, like direct competitor kasi this is more on Coco Mama Fresh Gata, but still on the same product as I would say. So I don't know, is this banking on the news na mag-IPO um, si Frutas tomorrow? I don't know, maybe not, but who knows, 'di ba? Now let's try and check um, with that news, CNPF, may activity ba? No, wala masyado. Value is just 601,000. So it's not really a big deal, at least. Sabi ni market, kaya wala sila masyadong pakialam. Now, let's go to another news, which is Frutas. As we all know, Frutas is IPOing tomorrow. Okay? So bukas na siya mag-IPO. I think nakikita ko na siya sa ano eh sa um let's see here. Meron na ba? Fruit. Oh yeah, meron na. May entry na si Fruit dito. Although syempre wala pang laman dito. Um, yep, it is IPOing at 1.68 per share. Total ask niya is around 1 billion pesos. So maliit lang. If you remember KPI, maliit lang din. So they are banking actually on that. And on this news, they are saying na um, Frutas IPO is already three times oversubscribed. Pero sa totoo lang, itong mga ganitong news, yung uh, IPO stock is two times oversubscribed, one time, three time. Uh, to be honest, I have heard of that news almost every time eh. Case in point, Axilum had the same three times, no, two times um, oversubscribed, and even Home is three times oversubscribed, and yet look at their prices now, diba? So maybe there is, of course, there is uh, a what do you call this, a demand for the stock. Pero this is just my personal thoughts lang those are marketing ploys. To be honest. So I don't know, but don't get me wrong, guys. It does not mean na hindi maganda si Frutas, or na even I'm not even saying na kailangan niyo bumili or bumili kayo. No. I'm just saying ako I bought a few shares na kung nakikita ninyo dun sa sa IG tuloy sa FB stories ng stock silog. I posted there yung pagbili ko ng at the same time uh, pinost ko din doon yung what do you call this, yung thoughts ko about the IP the about why I buy IPOs, no? So ayun, ganun lang naman. Wala, not really a a big deal. Okay? Now, what could happen tomorrow? So ako, I am seeing it, there are two school of thoughts, no? Number one, uh, there is a demand for a new stock, new IPOs. Magkakaroon at magkakaroon yan. Dahil something new eh, di ba? Meron kang bagong gadget, mapapaisip ka. So something like that. It's not really like you need to, pero there is that interest. No. The second school of thought there is, if you can see or if you have observed the market over the past couple of days, a lot of the blue chip stocks are already at a discount, or no, maybe not a good term discount, but they're already cheap. No, so the question now becomes, if I have, let's say, 10,000 pesos, should I buy the new guy, si Frutas, or should I just settle in with the getting a blue chip? Like, I don't know, yung mga recently na talagang bumaba ng gusto, like DMC, AGI, JFC, are they worth the the fund that I have right now? So those are the two things that I am thinking, which could influence the the performance of Frutas tomorrow. Okay? So siguro that will be it for now. Sabay-sabay na lang nating alamin tomorrow what will happen. Pero ako, I'm really excited. Meron akong hawak na fruit. I have received an allotment, and I will definitely trade tomorrow depending on how the the stock will go. Okay, so yeah, that's it for me, guys. If you have any question or clarification regarding any stock that I may be able to help, maybe an analysis, maybe I could share my thoughts over those. So just feel free to comment sa comment section below, and I'll try to answer them. Okay, so thank you once again for watching our market recap today, and don't forget pala to hit like and subscribe to our channel. Okay, so that is it. Thank you and have a good day.